From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is a Tropical Weather Update.
All right, we're checking in here on this Monday, September 22nd, with this afternoon edition of your daily tropical weather update, and a lot to talk about in the tropics here. First off, we have Category 3 Hurricane Gabrielle tracking just to the east of Bermuda, kicking up northward and may intensify further into a Category 4 hurricane, and then two other tropical waves that we will be watching very carefully here. Here's Gabrielle on satellite this afternoon. Very organized looking structure here with a central dense overcast and a very clear eye, and also a favorable outflow pattern. So very organized major hurricane, and likely to intensify a little further over the next 24 hours before it kicks off to the northeast here and away from us. This is not a threat to the U.S. coastline, which is certainly good news, except for rip currents and that kind of thing. Here's the latest track on Gabrielle from the late morning advisory. They will do another one here at 4 p.m. Central Time. Winds were up to 120, moving north at 10. Here's the track. Expected to become a Category 4 hurricane here soon before it kicks off to the east into the northern parts of the Atlantic and away from the U.S., which is certainly good news. Two other tropical waves that we are watching out here that have increasing chances of both of them developing as they move off to the west-northwest. Too far out to know the track for certain, but these may be closer to the U.S. coastline. Not necessarily a direct landfall, but they may be closer, so we'll have to watch them carefully here in the days ahead, especially the western of the two. It may have a better chance of at least getting closer to the U.S. coastline and the Bahamas and such. We will be watching that very carefully, but a little too far out to really try to highlight a landfall area or anything. Let's get them developed and get that into the model data first before we have a good handle on that. Elsewhere, tropical wave activity rolling off the coast of Africa. We will be watching things out here as well. Things are starting to heat up as we expected heading into late September, and that will probably carry into early parts of October as well. We have Gabrielle off the list. Next is Umberto, Imelda, Jerry, and Karen. We'll be watching carefully here as we head through the next several days and the weeks ahead. Your next tropical update comes tomorrow morning with Kelly Rosson.